Hi YouTube. I finally did it. I ordered a lift kit and I also ordered some wheels for this. The lift kit is a Zone. Comes highly recommended by a channel that I watch on occasion, and that would be Cherokee Ronnie. I do appreciate him because I kind of relate to him. I am cheap. I'm not sure if Cherokee Ronnie is cheap, but I know that a lot of his channel is about saving money and on items and stuff, and he gives good recommendations, I believe. The Zone I am getting is a 4.5-inch lift kit. I don't know if I mentioned that. It comes with shocks, comes with other items too, and it also comes with the full leaf. They have an add a leaf option, but I decided to go without that. They do offer the Fox shocks for an extra couple $100, or a little bit more than a couple $100, $250 maybe. But I decided to stay with the they call it the Nitro Shock. So, and also they come with lower control arms, front springs, and then I think there's some stabilizer links. I did order some other things. I'm going to unbox and do a little bit of a quick first impression of them. I'll do reviews after I get this whole lift kit on different things. I'm going to try and videotape it as good as I possibly can and share that after I get them edited, and hopefully here soon. But like I said, it's back ordered till the end of January. Maybe I did not say that, but anyway, see what happens here. So, please subscribe. I'd appreciate that. And then also click the little bell notification, and I will share as I get things, and I will share as the progression, I guess, goes on here with this. And I'm excited about it. Something that kind of always wanted to do since I was a boy. Cherokees weren't around at that, the old Cherokees were around at that time, but I've always had my eye set on a Seas Age 7 Jeep, but I had one of those, and I went to my daughter, and I got it back, and then it actually went back to my daughter again, so she has that. If you look it up, I do have a video on that CJ7. It's kind of a cool Jeep. It's not really lifted or anything like that, too much done to it, but I did replace the body on it, and went through pretty much everything on that machine. But like I said, stay tuned, more videos to follow.